Mainit na sinalubong ng provincial government ng Camarines Sur sa pangunguna ni Governor L. Ray Villafuerte si Danish Ambassador to the Philippines Franz Michael Melvin. Muli itong nakipagpulong sa gobernador kasama ang mga taga Copenhagen Infrastructure Partners o CIP, Danish company na nangunguna sa renewable energy sa buong mundo na magtatayo ng 1 gigawatt wind project sa San Miguel Bay na pinakamalaki sa buong bansa. Napag-usapan rin ang ilang pang business investments mula Denmark sa Camarines Sur. Ayon sa opisyal, malaki ang potensyal ng Camarines Sur. Pagdating sa renewable energy kay hindi na nakapagtatakang nag-invest ng wind project ang Danish firm na CIP ng multi-billion project sa San Miguel Bay.
Well, things are fortunately progressing in a positive way. So, of course, it's a very, very large project, so there's quite a lot of work to be done. But progression has been good cooperation from the government side, from the province side, from the municipality side. Very happy about how things are moving forward. Hopefully we can have success for the company, of course, but also for the Filipino people who need affordable, abundant and reliable energy.
Bisyon ni Governor L. Ray Villafuerte na maging renewable energy capital ng bansa ang Camarines Sur na napapanahon dahil sa galot ng Iran at Estados Unidos na nagdulot ng pagtaas ng presyo ng langis. Dependent umano ang bansa sa petrolyo kaya panahon na para sa renewable energy tulad ng ginagawa sa bansang Denmark. Makakatulong din ito upang malabanan ang climate change na epekto ng mga plantang nagpoproseso ng krudo.
I think the Philippines coming a little from behind and now is scaling up in a big way, and of course it's going to be very important because you cannot continue to rely on uncertain sources from far away. We can see the price hikes hurting people very badly, especially the poor, because of the gas prices coming up. I do fear for inflation going up also coming out of the situation. So having accelerated renewable transformation, which people now expect will be a benefit for everyone. Also help on climate change, which can be very important.
Samantala, pinasalamatan naman ni Governor L. Ray Villafuerte si Ambassador Melvin sa kanyang pagbisita sa probinsya.
Well, una-una yung Copenhagen Infrastructure magtatayo ng 1,000 megawatts offshore wind project, the biggest in the country at kasalukuyan niya ng biggest investment sa buong Pilipinas, no? Na foreign investment. So, nakatutok po ako dyan as governor, nakatutok po ang ambassador dyan ng buong Pilipinas. So kami regular nag-uusap para tinitresh out yung problema. So kung weather permit, mga ganyan, inaayos po natin at ongoing sila, ready silang mag-launch in the next 2 to 3 years. 3 years latest na yan. Kasi mga ganitong project talaga matagal, pero at least ang magandang balita, tuloy at on time po sila.
Well, he has a very good starting point because it's a very large project. It's the largest in the Philippines, and it can also help create jobs. One thing we discussed today with the governor was the opportunity to have certified training happening here in Kamsur that will allow not only for jobs here, but also allow Filipinos to work on renewable energy projects elsewhere and even overseas. So there are a lot of opportunities that come in together with these large-scale projects. So I hope that he'll have success, and we are partners in trying to bring that vision to life.
Oras na matapos at maging operational sa 2028 ay kaya nitong masuportahan ang Luzon Grid. Una lang nakipag-partner ang CIP sa ASEN para sa konstruksyon ng naturang proyekto na hindi lang magdadala ng energy stability, maging trabaho at oportunidad sa Camarines Sur at karatig lugar. Chris Novello, CSN.